Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at TomPit. In today's video, I'm going to show you the material analysis feature. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is material analysis, the importance of having material analysis included in your processes, and how to set up material analysis for a certain material in TomPit. Material analysis is crucial in the production process for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that the materials used meet the required specifications and quality standards. By conducting thorough material analysis, we can identify any defects early on, preventing potential issues during production. This proactive approach helps avoid machine downtime, reducing the risk of costly repairs and production delays. In the long run, material analysis helps maintain the integrity of the production process, including that only high-quality materials are used. This not only enhances the overall efficiency and productivity of manufacturing processes, but also minimizes waste and reduces the likelihood of defects in the final product. By avoiding machine downtime and ensuring consistent product quality, we can significantly reduce the risk of customer refunds and returns, leading to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, let's consider a scenario working in a company that manufactures car parts. During the inbound material analysis, we receive a batch of steel that will be used to produce engine components. The analysis reveals that the steel has a higher carbon content than specified, which could lead to potential failure in the engine components. By identifying the issue early, we prevent the defective steel from entering the production line, thus avoiding potential machine damage, production delays, and costly recalls. Now let's see how this works in TomPit. In the Material Analysis Reference Table, you can define textual instructions for reviewing the status of individual materials upon receiving. When materials with analysis are received, the system records them under Reserved Inventory, where you can confirm whether the received material is suitable or unsuitable. To set new rules for material analysis, go to Logistics, select Management, and lastly, Material Analysis. The page displays the items that are already set for analysis. The blue bar left to the material name means that the analysis is enabled for that specific item. In the bottom right corner, click the Action button to open the input form for adding material analysis. At the top right corner, there is a checkbox named Enabled. If the checkbox is checked, it means that the analysis will be performed when you receive the material. By unchecking the box, you disable the analysis for the specific material. To set an analysis for an inbound material, first select the type you want to add to the analysis. Secondly, select the specific material. And in the instructions field, write instructions or conditions for material analysis, like for example, the wood needs to have specific values to pass the analysis. Lastly, to add the inbound analysis to the selected material, choose the Add button. Upon successful entry, the system will automatically redirect you back to the material analysis page. You can also edit an existing material by clicking on its name. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on material analysis. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You now know what material analysis is, you know how to navigate through the material analysis page, and you know the importance of a material analysis. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.